Excuse me. This is way better than the AirPods Pro. It seems like I'm in a surround sound type situation. Celebration of consistently creating income streams, I wanted to invite you to my Teespring store where you can purchase shirts just like this to help support the channel. So the link is down below. I really appreciate your support. Hey everyone, this is Gil Vergara back again with Do My Life, where we talk about health, wealth, and anything automotive, and sometimes I do reviews. So today's gonna be a review day only because it's review day and I got a really good gift from one of my sisters. It's gonna be the Bose Sports Earbuds, as you can see right there. Shout out to my older sister. I have two beautiful older sisters who I believe they're always gonna take care of me. You know, they're my older sisters. So I'm going to review these earbuds compared to my AirPods Pro. If you haven't watched that video, it's somewhere around here. I'll put. These are allegedly better and they're more geared for physical action. And I know the AirPod Pros, they say won't come out, but I do have fitment issues with that. I want to try these out and give you my honest opinion on these. And if you like it, if you don't like it, it is what it is. But maybe it'll push you to buy these if you're wondering about these right here. Mind you, I have big ears, so take that into account because these babies are not, I don't know, maybe Dumbo size. You're gonna charge right here in the back there. I believe these are this tells you indicators of battery. This is your indicator for the battery, I guess. Right up, if I can just autofocus here. These are your indicators for the battery, I guess, right here. I love that it's a locking feature, as in this is probably cool for me, right? You just push this in and then right there. Hopefully this didn't come from like a mass production place and then just put on the Bose name on there. Hopefully quality's there because of that name, right? So once again, so watch, as I open it, it tells me how much battery is left, right? Let's download the Bose app, that one right there. I love the combination of matte and gloss on there, right? They're pretty light comparably the same as my AirPods Pro. The only thing I like about these is because they have this little hook right here that hooks into your ear and hopefully it won't fall. It's everyone's preference, you know. Apple does it well, but for this ear, for some reason, it always pops out. So the ANC is really not working properly on the AirPods Pro. I mean, at least for me. So apparently you're gonna have to download another app that I guess does the voice control portion of that. It's a bit annoying that you have to do that, honestly. So as part of your experience downloading the app and everything, it does take you through a setup screen, right? It checks your fitment and things like that. So, you know, this is pretty self-explanatory, but these are two. I just don't know. It's fitment wise, it is pretty good right here. That's pretty chill right there. That's pretty good. I like the fitment. I might do size 1 just to see how it is. I'm gonna go through all of this, play some music, give you a quick honest opinion about this. I have to say, as it sits right now, oh man. Excuse me. I believe this is way better than the AirPods Pro. I'm kind of an audiophile, so I'm looking for certain things, the highs and mids, the lows. But yeah, the volume's not even high on this right now. I feel like, I don't know how to explain it. It feels as if like I do have an over-the-ear headphone setup. I'm trying my best not to talk loud or anything like that, but it's filling my whole head, if that makes any sense. Filling my whole head. Just, it seems like I'm in a surround sound type situation. Sounds very good. I like it. Shout out to my sister. Yeah, this is very happy. Very happy. The audio part of it, because, you know, I want to see how all these things, I always want to see how my voice sounds, you know, talking to here. So this should be the voice recording on the Bose Sports earbuds, and I just want you to see what the difference is. At this point in the video, I'm not going to edit the sound. I'm not going to alter it in any way. I'm going to keep it as natural as possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. So one thing I like about the Bose Sports earbuds is the fact that taking off this right here is super easy. So even if it's one-handed, I can just go like that to it, and it's right there. And I put in a new one. opposed to having that little, I guess it's a hard plastic piece that goes on here on the Earbuds Pro. So before I put it on, I'm trying to do this one-handed. As you can see, I just put it right on there, and I just put it in there. And this is the smaller one right here. Very intuitive, I haven't even read anything, so it's very user-friendly. I would have to say that fitment is very good right now for me. I would have to wear it for long periods of time. I like that it's soft inside here, because the AirPod Pros are hard. It does hurt my ear, especially this one for some reason. But outside of that, this quality is good, sound is good. Very comparable to the AirPods Pro in some sense, but when it comes to the bass, I believe this has better bass right here. For me, it does, for at least to my ears. But if anything, take care. God bless. Thank you. The link is going to be down below if you want to pick these up right here, the Bose Sports Earbuds. And take care. Bye. Are you looking for competitive insurance for your business? Please check out Nex. It is a very simple resource that you can seek out insurance for your business. My affiliate link is down below. Do you want to save money filing for your Nex LLC? Check out incauthority.com. My affiliate link is down below. A place where you can potentially file your LLC